Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on our 2016 Buick Encore. This vehicle is featured in silver metallic paint with chrome alloy rims, sunroof, and rear privacy tint. On the inside we have heated leather seats, as well as backup camera and navigation. Now moving on to the interior, we can see our chrome door handle, window and mirror controls, Bose speaker and storage. Side of the front seats, we have our memory seat option and power seat adjustment. Off to the left of the steering wheel, we have our lighting settings, and then our gauge cluster. On the steering wheel, we have our cruise controls and our radio controls. The front seats are featured in black and gray leather. Then moving inside of the vehicle, you can see our screen up there, currently displaying our navigation. Controls for that screen are found down below with our radio settings. Then we have our dual zone climate controls, heated seats and heated steering wheel option, lane departure warning and park assist, and then charging outlets. Center area, we have our gear selection stalk, cup holders, and armrest. On the rearview mirror, we have our OnStar controls. Above that, our dome lights and dome light settings, as well as our sunroof and moonroof controls. Back onto the exterior, we can take a closer look at our chrome alloy rims with Buick badge center caps. We have paint matched mirror caps and chrome door handles, rear privacy tint, and then around to the back of the vehicle, we have our Buick Encore badging. Open up the liftgate. You can see inside we have plenty of storage room, as well as a privacy cover. Onto the rear interior, we can see our chrome door handle, window switch, speaker, and storage. Back of the front seats, we have leather magazine holders. Back of the center console area, we have our charging outlets. And the rear seats are a 60-40 split, featured in black and gray leather, same as the front, with our fold-down center seat featuring 2 cup holders inside. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of the 2016 Buick Encore. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily videos, and we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.